Mm-hmm.
So there's like a billion and then...
Yeah.
Yes.
Fucking hell, man. That was strong, bruv.
What was?
What we smoked.
Good session.
He's fucked.
You do well in that.
I will, mate. I'll smoke you out.
How much have you smoked today?
And I'll smoke you out. I've smoked a considerable amount. Fair play.
You've only smoked...
Considerable amount.
You only started smoking when you got here.
What?
You only started smoking when you got here.
Oh, you?
You...
No, the time before as well.
Yeah, I reckon
You fucking snitch. What?
You ain't had none other than that today, have you? Before you come out, you picked up literally before you come out. You rolled a joint.
Yeah.
And
But
came
no,
out.
but Steve.
You
No, but
only
Steve.
smoked one zoot before you come out.
Yeah.
And you smoked this one.
Yeah. Got a problem with that?
You were just in
Come here, my God. Let me. No, don't.
Well, today was a lazy day today.
Why?
I think I smoked 2 joints this morning when I woke up. So I fuck all to do.
No
I
gym.
went to Croydon. I think I smoked a
Did
joint
you-
when I got back.
what
after
about-
I ate
what
my
ab-
McDonald's, and I smoked half a joint before I got
What
here,
about-
and
what
then
about-
I smoked that joint and some of your joint.
What about the gym? When did you go to the gym? Did you even go to the gym?
Yeah.
Oh.
Didn't go for long today.
So what's
Tomorrow we're gonna do shoulders and legs.
Okay.
We missed one day this week as well, so I said we're gonna do 2 muscle groups. We're gonna fuck them over with the legs though. We're gonna screw them over. You ain't gonna be able to. It's literally got a fundraising football match on Saturday. You ain't gonna be able to do it.
Yeah. When it goes off, just tap the screen.
Don't need to. As long as I can see where you're on the screen.
Bro. Bro, that's probably you.
It's so crazy how close it comes.
I know, mate. You're freaking me out. Yeah, mate. Give people a fucking nosebleed when they watch the video.
I'm trying to do it steadily, so you sort of stay in the centre of the shot.
Yeah. I do like it though, man. I think like when it gets so wide, it's such a wide lens. It takes so much of the image, man. So when I go down, I could probably get quite a lot of the inside of the coffee shop and where I'm going on my walks and shit, and photos and scenery and all of that. Make it look proper cinematic. You know what I mean? Start talking to a little few of the Dutch out there. You know, probably wait for you because I know you're probably gonna make a visit out there. And you know what you're gonna do, Jaabi? I tell you what, yeah, I tell you what you're gonna do. You're gonna come to me and like, can you get me something? Yeah. And then I say, you know what I'm gonna get you? I'm gonna give you that sweet white widow.
No.
Why?
Fuck White Widow.
Well, what do you want
You know
then?
White Widow
Where's your
shit.
beef with White Widow?
I don't have no beef. I don't have no beef. She got the beef.
You told me about it. Why don't you like it?
Yeah, why don't you like it?
It's just shit.
Why?
There is a lot of controversy with White Widow because it used to be laced with stuff back in the day, but that was over here. Over there it's properly grown, they don't need to lace it.
Give me New York diesel any fucking day, it hits the spot. Nice.
For
What's your favourite? What's your favourite?
For garage you can get
I
loads
like
of diesel.
my silver haze.
So Silva's is your
Yeah,
thing.
I like my
Okay.
silver
Yeah.
And your top 10?
My top, well,
Yeah, I
top
have
10.
to say top 10 because you smoke too much, cunt.
Yeah, I've smoked quite a few, man. It's quite a few. So,
I like Jack Herrera.
Yeah,
Have
Jack.
You tried Jack? I
have
like
you tried Jack Herrera?
Oh, well, not specifically. Jack 1 is Jack Herrera cross Girl Scout cookies. No,
Okay.
gelato.
So
And
I remember.
gelato.
One of them.
Jack Herrera's good.
Jack 1's nice. Try it. It's
Lemon
quite
haze. Lemon haze squeezes your throat.
Have you had Jaffa cake?
strong. I don't think I've had proper Jaffa cake now.
I have.
I've had Northern Lights. Northern Lights is quite nice, you know. I ain't gonna lie.
Aurora Borealis.
Then you've got
Your nose looks
Chem. Then you got a thing called Chem Dog.
massive.
But I like-
Nose, mate.
Dude, you're mocking it, man. I've had quite a few, man, but it's quite. I always like to try new stuff. I've had Blueberry Haze. I've had Amnesia, but I'm not, all fanatic about it. Chocolope was alright.
I just realised if you watch this on your TV, your nose is going to look massive.
You're getting embarrassed.
Someone walks into the room, mate, they're going to be scared. Am I making you paranoid?
Is that what?
Am I making you paranoid?
Is it like proper zoo?
Only when you do that.
Oh, bro.
But it kind of, when you get close, it has this fisheye effect, and it kind of looks like his nose is.
Oh my god, I see that.
So it kind of looks like there's a round effect. So it made his nose look massive.
Like, pushes
First
your
time I
head
did it, I
back.
managed to get right close to his nose.
Oh damn.
So he's got to watch that video later. If I get a giggly text later on, that's just like LOL or some shit, then I know why he's laughing.
Yeah, this would be a good shot, actually.
Behind the camera, behind the scenes. This is how Tobias works. 3 photos at a time. Oh, going for 4. Seen it, guys. Record.
Ah.